Okay, well, thank you for coming. Today is the 14th of June. We just did a raid at two villages, the village of Fasitoo in Faleatiu. We've been getting complaints of marijuana sales and activity up in those areas. Also, therefore, we couldn't wait any longer but to do something. So we had a search warrant. We did a tactical plan, involved about 60 police officers, about 15 cars. Detailed plan, 2 locations to hit, and this is the result. We arrested 7 people from this raid, 1,050 something plants. And all the plants here, including these barrels full of dried up leaves of marijuana, is estimated to be 160,000 taeao. Also recovered from the raid at different houses. You see all this money here. Then we'll recover like 2,000 or something like that, all put together. Yeah, interesting for more my complaints we recovered this gun here. This is a 12 gauge. 12 gauge gun. It's a really nice gun. It works. It's unregistered. System that we register all the guns in Samoa. It is registered, and this has been used to scare people, so people don't go into these marijuana fields and steal the marijuanas. So here it is. This is a 22. It may look old, but it works. It can kill someone. If you imagine, in the case this is a gout, this small little one here, and it goes into this rifle here. A lot of damage, it kills people. So this is the stuff that we're finding up there in Faleatiu. This is all the way up the mountain, all the way up there, Faleatiu. The rifle there.
Is it not the same plantation that you have raided before?
Yeah, Faleatiu, it's a different one. The ones we went around looking just to see but they're moved further up, and then we went all the way up, and we used our drones as well. It was very difficult, so you got to be really determined to get up there. And just to face it plantation, you got to be very determined. You must be making some good money. Also, moment fun, let's see, they call it pulu. They're ready to sales. And then, if you come down a little bit closer down there, all the way up. So we're getting money, we're getting ice pipes. We got cell phones, laptops, all kinds of stuff you do. But what's dangerous is so that's why we have to arm ourselves just to protect ourselves. It's not a safe thing to do. As you can see over here, this is why we dress the way we do, and we're ready to engage if we have to. But these are just tools and preparation to make us safe when we go up there. Deputy commissioners, all Leoleo that were involved in this raid. We've done it many times. And we were very, very careful when we take these firearms up there, make sure that everyone's safe, including ourselves as well. We're also very concerned for and they know. As a matter of fact, one of the houses flushed down the toilet. They knew exactly where we're coming and it was flushing it down the toilet, but then again, it comes right back up. But it's very interesting involved community for Leoleo. Not all islands in Leoleo, but this is incident on it. But it's something that's been going on based on what we discovered. Male mannerisms alike, masang ye ko nga me fa. So kele se dingi na mo wai se dingi fai mo fie. Yo la la fai fai ya. But the good thing in here is la ben mai sisi wa fa eseng ila au mai ka ko un. And then mo ka le fu ni me nga kai Faleatiu. But la wa fa ya ku no ko mai I pasto tuka. No wa ye and who else? Where else? So if you can't but just to make sure I set it up for making now we're finding out there's some ice up there in Faleatiu. So to keep us, our families and our friends, visitors among many other things so if ministry
Commissioner, are there any familiar faces from those who have detained? Reoffenders?
These are normal, not normal, but they're familiar to the Leoleo. We have a group of individuals, narcotics, marijuana, methamphetamine, cocaine, mixed hard drugs, mixed mafanga, then it becomes very, very, very dangerous.
The one at Fasitoo is like a new plantation?
It's been around for a while. It's just now, it's emerging now. So these are people all this money here, so it's all going to be put away and hopefully get rid of this money somehow.
How many homes exactly?
There were about one location. There were about 4 or 5 homes. They're all together on it. So we discovered money from different locations. We flushed marijuana, and of course a lot of them lie as well.
Well, about that case, what's the process for those kids? Yeah.
Well, we try and do the least as possible. They're innocent. They're just being coerced. So we're cognizant of Mokamaki and they're vulnerable. The last thing you need is bring into this kind of criminal environment, get them involved in the criminal justice. So hopefully they've learned and it will never happen again. But
Commissioner,
we can only hope.
Yes, you mentioned that it seems like the train from Fasitoo to Fasitoo is now moving the train MARIUANA. Do you think there's a connection between the two?
Well, I don't know about Fasitoo, but all I know is Fasitoo was the one today. MARIUANA by Faleatiu. It's kind of like the same individuals. There's a ring of people involved in going on, and usually they stick together. Talent, so cut it. And there's some mentality out there's some thinking out there. It's harmless. Well, maybe so, maybe not. I don't know. It's illegal. That's it. So it's illegal. Doesn't matter what I think, what people think. It's illegal. So as long as it's illegal,
So the whole stuff that you have seized, what is the worth? How much is that?
So it's like 160,000 worth of marijuana that we seized today.
Including the guns and the...
No, not including the guns. Just the marijuana alone. If you sell all that stuff, it's 160,000 roundabout. Could be a little bit more, a little bit less street value here and there. But you remember before, we've collected over 10,000. So we're like, but we're going to keep on sticking to it. Leoleo whaangawhanga whapapā so whawhewhika ngaka. So who knows, maybe the whanga sisi,
Yeah.
nobody has reported it to us, but the mere fact that low involving drugs ma whanga, it elevates the danger, the risk for Leoleo up with me whapea. But it won't deter me, and it won't deter ia kamai kai I whainga o ngā wenga.
It's been a while, Commissioner. In Kelo Rate, and MAI, utensil for my yes. But have you in any way or any leads to somebody who's manufacturing the
as far as we know right now, there's no manufacturing in Samoa.
Okay.
If we had information, believe me, I'll be over there really quickly to shut it down and bring those people into custody. But as far as we know right now, maybe there is, but we just don't know one.
Well, we still have some others.
We back in 2015, and we busted that one. But who knows? Maybe there is some talk, but I don't see the evidence. I operate on facts, and I operate on evidence only. I don't go on hearsay. Get a false reporting. So we only operate on the real stuff. It is not in the windows, but guessing and it doesn't work.
Okay, Commissioner, a little message for anyone right here and who's still on smoking this stuff.
It's not the whole Faleatiu, masaka pola and Leoleo got the laying us, Kalkalma for Emma game, thanking us on the side. So most of the people of Sakapola, Faleatiu, even Fasitoo, I'm sure there's a lot of good people there, but a few that do these kind of things for fast money. Well, you're running the risk of getting hooked up, locked up, MAI, and you have to go to maybe Kang Malala, but we have to prove these things in court for you. You have to go through a process. So if you're involved, you're going on there, or maybe you're a casual user and you think it's okay, you're running the risk of getting locked up. So tight up for the support the media, support my village here. But mostly I like to thank my staff. They're not participate in media. It's not just the ones that went up the hill, had the courage to do it. And I think Ofisa but also my that coordinating from the back, making sure that we're okay too. Ofisa is also involved in MAI and make sure I provide medical attention really quickly. So Ofisa has always been a very, very strong, close partner from Leoleo. And of course the other people in the background or make sure that we do a really good job and a safe job. People of Samoan police are here to protect us, the whole of Samoa, as we go through these things for Yale Gaming. We'll continue to do our job legally. Yeah, okay, feel free to take more photos if you want, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Manuela,